You might think mountains fall just because they are sad or tired, but actually, it's a structural hack. Watch what happens when rain hits. Water isn't just wet, it seeps deep into the microscopic cracks of the rock layers. It acts like a lubricant, destroying the friction holding the foundation, then collapse. Think of the mountain like a giant, delicious sandwich. The water doesn't just wet the rocks, it acts like someone pulling out the bottom tomato slice. Once that foundation is gone, the whole thing comes crashing down. It starts with the sun. As heat rises, a thin layer of water forms beneath the snowpack. This water acts exactly like a lubricant, drastically reducing the friction holding the mountain together. With friction gone, the snow is primed. A shout, a footstep, or even a goat's sneeze can trigger the white anger, a massive release of potential energy. So gravity and water tear them down, but why is the mountain still getting taller? Behold the Earth's secret superpower, tectonics. Massive plates crash together, forcing the crust to buckle upwards. It's a slow-motion collision that builds giants. Think of it like the mountain is wearing a massive heavy hat made of ice. When that ice melts, the weight disappears, lifting the burden off the crust. Just like a release spring, the Earth pushes back up. We call this isostatic rebound. So let's recap our Earth hacks. First, mountains fall when water weakens their internal foundation. Second, avalanches rush down when melting snow destroys friction. And finally, mountains rise again thanks to Earth's tectonic power and isostatic rebound. Mission time. Go find out how many millimeters does Fancy Pond grow every year. Next time we are hacking the coldest fridge in the entire universe. Stay curious. See you in the void. Welcome to the Boomerang Nebula, the coldest place in the universe. It drops to minus 272 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the Big Bang's afterglow. Believe it or not, snow isn't actually white, it's clear, transparent ice. Sunlight enters the crystal and bounces around inside like a pinball. This scattering mixes all the colors together, creating the white glow we see. Ever tried catching a rainbow? Spoiler alert, it's physically impossible. A rainbow isn't an object, it's an optical illusion created at exactly 42 degrees relative to your eye. As you move, that 42-degree angle moves with you. It will always be one step ahead. Think the equator is the hottest place on Earth? Think again. It stays around 35 degrees Celsius thanks to the cooling humidity from the oceans. The real scorcher is the Sahara, baking at a blistering 55 degrees Celsius due to dry rock and sand. Drinking seawater dehydrates us, but the albatross has a built-in desalination plant. A special gland behind the eye filters salt from the blood, so they just sneeze it out. Ever wonder why you must switch to airplane mode? Your phone's signals can cause static interference for the pilot.